Gold is one of the valuable metals that aren't certainly formed on Earth. Believe it or not. Most of the scientists believe that gold was formed during collisions between supernovae and neutron stars even before the birth of our solar system. Gold sank to the Earth's core during the planet's formation. That gold is existed in rock or in various forms including flakes, mixed with silver as electrum, or as the pure element itself. It is true that you can find gold in many places around the world including rivers, streams, and other bodies of water, areas with a high concentration of golden ore. Caves, creeks, gulches, and other underground waterways around lode mines, and even under the ocean. Two gold nuggets are claimed as the largest in the world, the Welcome Stranger and the Kana Nugget. The Welcome Stranger was found at Mollyaggle, Victoria, Australia in 1869 by John Deason and Richard Oates. It weighed gross over 2,520 troy ounces. The Kana Nugget, also known as the Pepita Kana, was found on September 13, 1983 by miners at the Serra Pelada mine in the state of Pará, Brazil. Weighing 1,955 troy ounces. Anyway, gold is famous from the ancient times to nowadays. Without gold your mission will not fulfilling. Ha ha ha. Best of luck. Please don't forget to subscribe us. Your support encourages us to make more videos further. Thanks for watching.